3. Yes, we are joined by DJ Rodrick Howell and DJ Tropical. Welcome, guys. How we doing? What is it? They don't want to talk to me?
I don't know.
Hello.
I don't know what's going on. That thinking mouthful of cake.
It's me. Hey! We can't hear you. Is it your mic? Can you hear us? Thumbs up if you can hear us.
I can hear.
Okay, we can hear you now. Hey!
All right, yeah, weird. All right.
What's going on?
How are you doing?
I am great.
Excellent.
So Rodrick, what is it like celebrating 15 years on air now?
What is it like? There's no word can explain, my brethren. It's terrific. Full stop.
So tell us, Rodrick, what's it been like over the years? You know, the different seasons, like Christmas, like this, like that. What has it been like for you? Journeying, traversing, you know.
Oh my goodness. You know, we started out as little babies and now we turned 15. And so, you know, we're getting more mature, you know, more experience, you know. Listen, we're big people, man. We're great.
Yeah, I like that. When I grew up for real, so Hitz is the go-to place for reggae, dancehall, and sports, right? But do you have any specific memories that stand out in your head that you'd like to share?
Goodness. Every day here is a standout moment at Hitz 92 FM. But you know what stand out for us the most is our street dance. Our street dance. Interacting and meeting the people who listen to us, who support us over the years.
Hey, so the Hitz fans, them know, you know, right? But a lot of people watching TVJ might not be familiar with DJ Rodrick. He's a bad DJ, you know. I don't want to feel like I don't want to feel like No, I don't want to feel like it's just true. Him work with the company, make we big him up. Now, Rodrick a dangerous DJ. So when you see him say street dance, you know, saying Rodrick touch street dance and I play for people move. Different
Wow, that's an honor coming from you, I'm sure.
That's not a real thing though.
Is that DJ Tropical in the house as well?
Tropical,
yes, Tropical is here.
Oh,
hey, Tropical grow to, you know.
Hey,
Dangerous boy.
I think they're celebrating. What other celebrations are happening today?
Well, for later on, I can tell you that much that we're coming to a climax at around 7:30 and we're doing our Zoom party. So if you want to be a part of the Zoom party, folks, go on to Hitz 92 FM Instagram page, Facebook page, Twitter angle, and find the flyer with the Zoom link, right? And in the bounce, I can tell you this much, myself is here, you can see that. Tropical and Xavier, so it's the bounce, meet the blast off, meet the hit mix, and we're going to have a really big party at around 3 o'clock today.
Serious visit.
I love a daytime party, you know, I do.
So Tropical,
there you go.
Tropical, I just pose or you can't talk. You can talk to?
That's what I was asking.
We want to know what go on.
Tropical is not talking to you today.
Oh, Tropical,
He's like, I'm busy over here. Yeah, he's like, not talking to you today. I have work to do. DJing.
Oh, you're there now? Okay. What I want to ask you, like, cause I remember, like, back in the early days when the first time when we know Tropical, you know, when Jenny used to whisper, I said, play that. But now you're holding your own brethren. What has that journey been like?
Yo, I've been here not for the 15 years, but I'm here about 11 years now. I mean, I tell you, the growth, the energy, and the synergy with the team members, not normal.
See it.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Wow. That's amazing.
I'm like here when Tropical talk, you know. You see because him a young blood. Now let me tell you, you see true him a young blood.
Tell me, Craig. Let me sit back and let the general.
No, because him a young blood. So you know, you hear him play, you hear him do the thing, but you don't really get used to him personality.
Right.
You know, unless him converse with you. That's why I dry him out. Because people want to know him, brother. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, I was trying, but he never paid me no mind.
No, man, I can't like you. I blush him, I blush. No, but I'm going to check on it later for some of the cake though, because festivities not really pass me, you know. Yeah, I mean.
Pass through.
Hey!
Pass through. Okay, so tell us one more time. Oh, Rodrick Run Gone. Tell us one
No, man,
more
I'm still here.
time.
I'm still-
Oh, he's here. How can we go about, persons watching, viewers at home, how can we go about joining in the festivities? Can we all come over to where you are for the cake?
Not all.
Come on, man. I am cutting
just
up the
said.
cake. I have a slice for everyone. But you know, let me tell you, I can't give you all 15 reasons why Hitz 92 FM is the best and the biggest and the baddest station.
Okay.
For 15 years, we have been carrying the ISA Boys and Girls Championship, and this year, we're definitely looking forward to take it to them, you know, man. And 14 street dance right across the island, you know, man.
Wow.
Definitely. Listen, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
A lot of reasons.
The
Lots
street
of
dance
reasons.
are nice for real. Like, I mean, so throughout the changes that Hitz has made, what would you say separates you from the rest? I mean, apart from your amazing vibe, of course, and the juggling, of course.
You know, for us, it's just a team. It's a team. Truffy, what you say?
Well, 13, it's 2007 to 2010, not normal. See? And 20 as well. Yeah, man, give us some young and something, man.
But you know, guys, I have to big up Smirnoff for a lovely cake. We have to big up our marketing team. We have to big up definitely Auntie Claire. Definitely make our studios nice and pretty though. You understand? Big up to the entire team. We are one big family. Programs team, bless up on yourselves.
Oh, that's awesome. And
Love
it's definitely like a party is going on over there. I'm loving it. One more time, Rodrick, tell us where can persons go for the Zoom link to join the party.
All right, for the Zoom link later on, just go on to Hitz 92 FM IG page, Facebook page, or just look into our Twitter feed or thread, and you will see the flyer for the party, the Zoom link for later on at 7:30. That's when it kicks off. But the party continues right now on the bound, so tune into the 92.
See,
Gotcha.
And you need to come over. You need to come over and teach me some dance moves.
For sure.
she,
I'm guessing you're
Because
talking
here
to
what
Craig.
Xavier needs to learn.
Mark, the man say I see him at and I'm me.
I'm coming. More for the cake, but still, I'll teach you some dance moves whilst I'm there. Thank you guys so much for joining us. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. And congratulations. You're a teenager. You're almost an adult. 15, you know. Not big people yet, but you know.
We're getting there. Getting there.
Thank you guys so much for joining us on the show. We really appreciate that.
Thank you for having us.
Our pleasure. Thanks.
Big up. Okay, so coming up next, we have the Eastern Champs live on TVJ.
What?
Oh,
Yes!
And on Thursday, we have Western Champs live coverage, and that's starting at 3 on TVJ. So make sure that you tune in and watch. Check it out.
Check it out, because I've been missing little champs, I've been missing it. So I'm really glad that TVJ, as usual, the nation station, got our backs. I really appreciate that. That's awesome.
Competition is necessary, and it's good to rally behind your team.
Rally behind your team.
Everybody.
All right, guys, that is a wrap. Please remember to check on your loved ones. Don't forget to support each other as a community. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be back on Friday. I was like, what day is it today? We're back on Friday with much more. What we'll come back with?
Chat, vibe, and mix. Matching. So remember to wash your hands, stay inside as much as possible. Corona still a keep, so be safe, please, everyone.
Everyone, I love it. Corona still a keep. Mask up, guys. Come on.